Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you methods to decrease your blood pressure. 1. Maintain a healthful weight. Being overweighted is a main threat element for excessive blood pressure. 2. Reduce obesity. Having extra fats across the waistline places you liable to high blood pressure and associated coronary heart disease. 3. Stay physically active. The American Heart Association recommends doing 90-150 minutes of physical activity unfold during the week or as a minimum half hour each. 4. Avoid excessive amount of sugar. Avoid food and drink that include added sugars, like smooth drinks, cakes, pastries, cookies and candies. 5. Avoid on caffeine and alcohol. 6. Take medicines as prescribed. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this channel.